Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny, and that makes us Kendra and the bunnies.
Here we go again.
You might see a little paw right here, and that is from our helping friendly kitty today, Rochelle. So we are reviewing and unboxing this set of mailers. I believe there's 100 in here. This comes in a light blue color, and I found it on Amazon. It is by the brand Metronic, Metronic, M-E-T-R-O-N-I-C. That is linked below. It's also linked in my Amazon shop. That is all included in the information below in the description, so you can find out how to purchase this for yourself. This is amazing for anyone who has an online business, who sends a lot of stuff from home. For me, I'm sending out books, I'm sending out albums, I'm sending out gifts throughout the year too. It always seems like I need a good way to mail stuff. So this is really awesome, and I like that it's light blue because it's pretty cute. The size is 10 by 13 inches, so it's going to be 10 this way and 13 inches this way. That allows for some good space when it comes to bigger products. And here, let's open it up. So I love this on top. It's self-sealing, and it's got some really good adhesive, so you don't necessarily need to put any extra tape. It's all right there. It self-seals and has adhesive on it. Also, let's look at how strong this is. This is made out of plastic. It's a poly mailer, and I'm just sticking my nail through it to see how much tension can go through without causing any rips or tears. This is a pretty thick plastic. And the inside color is a light gray. This is also completely waterproof, and I loved the fact that you can't see through it because it has this opaque blue and it has this opaque light gray. Since these are so lightweight, this is also going to help with any shipping cost that is incurred when shipping this. It's very, very light, it's durable, and it's also waterproof. So let's pack a sample package. Here we have my book. As you can see, my book is pretty lengthy, and it does have some inches on it. So it is perfect for this type of mailer because it sits flat, it's sturdy, and it's also pretty lightweight. I do like to add a little bit more protection when shipping. So I'm gonna put this item into another bag and then put that into our mailer. We've got a bag for protection, and then we've got the mailer. The last things that I'd like to add is I like to add a magnet or a sticker. I like to also include a thank you note. Thank you so much for your purchase, and how they can follow me on social media. Go ahead and put that in the bag too. So as you can see, that's perfectly fit. Now we are going to pull the self-adhesive tab, and you could just fold it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and fold it and make it snug. So I push this down all the way here, and just like that. So when you go to the post office, you can go ahead and get it printed where you're shipping it and get all that information here. And just like that, you have a lightweight way to ship. Oh, and of course, don't forget that extra sticker so they know they're getting something amazing. I linked all of this below. It's also linked in my Amazon shop. This is the Metronic poly mailers in light blue with 100 per pack. These are $10.44 for 100.